Hi, it's me again, Bobby Seagull, maths teacher, author and BBC TV presenter. So, earlier I'd set you a word style challenge, and it was using all the letters in the two-word phrase Oasis Haunt. What other two-word phrase can you make related to our theme? And the answer was, if you write out all the letters and rearrange it, you can get South Asian. Did you get it? I hope so. If quizzes are your thing, join me on Saturday the 18th of July at 8 p.m. on my Facebook, YouTube, Instagram and Twitter channels. I'll be chatting about my South Asian experience, and the quiz will include pictures, charades and even a fun sing-along at the end. So see you then, and good luck with the challenge.